Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Sketch to Image on the S24 Ultra. This incredible feature allows you to transform your simple S Pen drawings into detailed, realistic images using the device's powerful artificial intelligence. It's a fantastic way to bring your creative ideas to life, turning a quick doodle into a polished visual in just a few moments. We'll cover the easy steps to get started and unleash your artistic potential. To begin your creative journey, first open a drawing application that supports AI transformation on your S24 Ultra. Make sure your S Pen is ready. Its precision is key for your initial sketch. Once in the app, navigate through the menus to find the Sketch to Image or a similar AI transform feature. This is your gateway to turning simple lines into complex visuals, often found under creative tools or AI enhancements. Now for the fun part, sketching. Use your S Pen to draw a clear, simple outline of what you envision. The AI works best with distinct shapes and basic forms, so don't worry about intricate details at this stage. Think of it as providing a blueprint. You can even experiment with different colors or line weights to give the AI more information, helping it understand your creative intent for the final image. Once your sketch is complete, simply tap the Generate button. The S24 Ultra's AI will then process your drawing, transforming it into a detailed image in a matter of seconds. Take a moment to review the result. You can often make further adjustments using built-in editing tools to perfect your creation. Finally, save your masterpiece to your gallery or share it instantly with friends and family, showcasing your unique AI-assisted art.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.